To promote safety positively, focus on communication, training, recognition, and a culture of continuous improvement, ensuring everyone feels valued and empowered to prioritize safety. Here's a more detailed breakdown. 1. Establish a positive safety culture. Lead by example. Leaders should demonstrate a strong commitment to safety by consistently following safety protocols and encouraging others to do the same. Open communication. Create a safe space for employees to voice concerns, report hazards, and suggest improvements without fear of reprisal. Involve employees. Engage employees in safety discussions, training, and decision-making processes to foster a sense of ownership and responsibility. Recognize and reward. Safe behaviors. Acknowledge and celebrate safety successes, both formally and informally, to reinforce positive behaviors. Focus on the benefits of safety. Emphasize the positive outcomes of a safe workplace, such as increased productivity, reduced stress, and improved morale. 2. Effective communication. Clear and regular communication. Provide regular updates on safety performance, new policies and procedures, as well as any changes in regulations. Use visual aids. Display safety information clearly and concisely, using posters, signs, and other visual aids. Encourage feedback. Solicit feedback from employees on safety practices and procedures to identify areas for improvement. Address concerns promptly. Respond to safety concerns and suggestions quickly and effectively to demonstrate that you value employee input. 3. Comprehensive training. Provide regular training. Offer ongoing safety training that covers both general safety principles and job-specific hazards. Make training engaging. Use interactive methods such as simulations, games, and real-life case studies to make training more engaging and effective. Ensure employees are competent. Verify that employees have the necessary knowledge and skills to perform their jobs safely. Update training regularly. Keep training materials up to date and relevant to ensure that employees are always aware of the latest safety information. 4. Continuous improvement. Regularly review and update safety programs. Continuously evaluate the effectiveness of safety programs and make adjustments as needed. Learn from incidents. Investigate accidents and near misses to identify root causes and implement corrective actions. Promote a culture of learning. Encourage employees to learn from successes and mistakes. Stay informed. Keep up to date on the latest safety regulations and best practices.